Hey, this is Sylvia from magicplan. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the email address of your magicplan account. First of all, you have to log into cloud.magicplan.app. At this point, you can click on Profile, select your account, and here you can edit your personal data. You delete the old email, insert the new one, and the password that you normally use for magicplan, save everything, and a confirmation link will be sent to your new email address. You simply click on that link and then you're ready to use your app, your cloud, and log into magicplan with the new email and the regular password. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.